These are waters from the mountains, and they embank it here so that the people can use this water for cleaning and more. So during the winter season, where there's not much water, as you can see, it's dry. Okay, so basically it's all dry. So that's why the Seven Sisters Falls have no water. So this is where the hole goes into. I shall zoom in into one of the falls, which is now virtually dry of any water. So as it falls down, you can see it goes down there. And some of these falls can go as much as 1,000 feet, 1,100 feet. See, it goes down into the valley. Okay, and then it meanders into the distance. Okay, now let me show you the whole entire canyon. Beautiful, isn't it? Yep. This is one of the Seven Sisters Falls, but it's now virtually dry. Can you see the trickle of water there? Yep. It goes all the way down to the valley. All the way down there. Starting point of the falls. Okay, but as you can see, this entire thing is dry. One of the tributaries of this Seven Sisters Falls. Okay, and then it goes down all the way down, 1,000 feet down below. This is one of them, also the tributaries, but it's now virtually dry. And as you can see, there are waters down below. It's all the way down to the valley. It's winter season, henceforth it's dry. What did you expect? I'm now at the ledge, at the edges where there's no water. It's all dry. See there? Trickles of water. It's winter season.
It was a beautiful day and couldn't have ended on a better note. I had realized that it's not always about the destination, but the journey itself, and hence, we should make the most out of it, enjoying each and every moment. And that's all for the day. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next part from my point of view, Meghalaya.
One of the tributaries of this Seven Sisters Waterfall. See the water? It's so clear, but it's winter season, hence it's a bit dry. Nothing much you can get. See, there are guppy fishes in there. In this little hole, which is a tributary of these Seven Sisters Waterfalls.